Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 104 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, that is human values. So let's start. So we are living in a world where success is measured by great achievement, good marks, having good salary, having good home, etc. But certainly there is one more important thing that is necessary in life, that is human values. Human values such as honesty, kindness, respect, responsibility, humility, compassionate, etc. are important in life. So let's discuss one by one. First human value that everyone should have is honesty. If you will become honest in life you are supposed to be in true path. You have to be honest in life because that human value says us to become, first human value says us to become honest in life. Whatever the situation is, we have to be honest. Whatever the consequences, we have to be honest. We have to be honest in life, whether there is a good situation or bad situation, it doesn't matter. We have to walk in a true path, that is honesty, and it doesn't matter what will be the consequences. If you have done something wrong, be honest, tell it and express yourself that you have done some mistake. Don't be fair, you have to become honest in life. First value is honesty. Second is to respect. You have to respect people, whether they are senior to you or whether they are junior to you. Second human value is you respect others. You can start respecting from people around you, because when you will respect others, you will get respect in return. Third human value is humility. You have to become grounded. You have to be grateful. You have to become grounded and you have to be grateful. Whether you have become successful or unsuccessful, it doesn't matter. If you have become successful, you have to know that with whom you have become successful in life, who have helped you to achieve success in life, like your parents, family members, friends, relatives. So you have to become grateful. You have to express gratitude in life. That is humility. So fourth point is empathy. You have to understand what is the condition of the person, what is the person thinking, what is the thing that is going in person mind. You have to understand that is empathy. If you will know it better, then you will not judge that person, and it's really important in life. Fifth is that you have to take responsibility in life. Life is all about being sincere and being active. So you have to take responsibility in life. Sixth, you can say, is you have to respect. I have already told you, you have to respect each people around us. Then honesty, you have to become kind. Kindness is an important human value. You have to become kind, and you can start treating every people with the eyes of kindness who are around you, like your parents, your family members. Even you can provide kindness to animals. So you have to become kind too. So these were the important human values. Hard work can make you successful. Hard work can make you successful. Consistency can make you disciplined. But good human values can make you good human being. And so that it is really essential and important in our life. So these were some of the important human values. So whenever life feels stuck, you should follow these human values. In fact, you should always inculcate these human values in your life, so that life will be happier and easier. So that's all for today's video, and if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share and comment. So that's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.